future progressive, or future continuous. Usage: an action will be in progress at a certain time in the future. This action has begun before the certain time. Something happens because it normally happens. Form: will plus be plus per infinitive plus ing. Examples for affirmative, negative, and interrogative in future progressive tense. I will be working at 10 o'clock, or I'll be working at 10 o'clock. I will not be working at 10 o'clock, or I won't be working at 10 o'clock. Will I be working at 10 o'clock? He will be playing football tomorrow, or he'll be playing football tomorrow. He will not be playing football tomorrow, or he won't be playing football tomorrow. Will he be playing football tomorrow? You will be lying on a beach next week, or you'll be lying on a beach next week. You will not be lying on a beach next week, or you won't be lying on a beach next week. Will you be lying on a beach next week? She will be using the car, or she will be using the car. She will not be using the car, or she won't be using the car. Will she be using the car? We, you plural, or they will be having dinner at home, or we'll, you'll, or they'll be having dinner at home. They will not be having dinner at home, or they won't be having dinner at home. Will they be having dinner at home? It will be raining tomorrow, or it will be raining tomorrow. It will not be raining tomorrow, or it won't be raining tomorrow. Will it be raining tomorrow?